Hi guys, how you doing? Okay, so I want to go through the process for week one project one classic package redesign begin. I'm also going to go through this the second phase and the third phase of the project, which are due subsequently in weeks 2 and weeks 3. So in week 1, we're kind of just going to do research and brainstorming and thumbnails. Week 2, we'll move into roughs and refining our ideas, and then week 3 we'll move into final mock-up. So what does this all mean? This means that in this project we're going to redesign a package that you feel that could be redesigned more effectively. So basically what you'll do is you will research, and you'll open the research document, which is located in the, if you go over here to the activities portion of the class. Sorry about this. You'll see how slow my computer runs. And you go into the references. Right there in those references areas, you'll find the research document. It's got a bunch of questions that you want to consider and answer, very detailed answers, because the more details you get in your research, the more effective your final package is going to be. And that, I promise you, that's going to be true. So we research document, go ahead and now take a look at that, open it up, print it out, and I would print it out and keep it with you so you have it right there so you can really effectively address each of the questions in that research document. And one of the reasons for doing so is to really get your mind thinking about how you can approach this project. So what I'm going to do is give you some examples here, so you just to give you an idea of the ideation behind the project itself. So what we'll do is I want you to approach step 1 and step 2 concurrently. So you have step 1, a research document, which you'll fill out. That's due Wednesday night. Notice that step 2 package analysis doesn't have a due date. So there's not really anything due for that step 2, but your thumbnails are due Sunday night. So what is step 2 then? Step 2 asks you to just kind of take a look at the package itself and just really consider the shortcomings of the package, analyze the package, and then grab the pertinent information from that package so that you can use it on your redesign itself. So basically you're redesigning the package, but you're going to keep the original graphics from the package itself, so that you're not designing the graphics for the new package. You're going to keep the graphics the same, but the package itself will be redesigned. Let me show you what I mean. So in our thumbnails process, thumbnails are basically quick sketches. It's traditional pencil to paper. So pull out your sketchbooks, pull up your drawing pencils. Please don't do these digitally. It's not the best way to go. I promise you that's true as well. So the idea behind thumbnails is to get your ideas from your head, from your mind to your paper quickly and efficiently, so you can move on with the ideation process once you get your ideas finalized and kind of recorded on paper, as it were. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my idea, so you can see how to proceed. So my idea is this. Looking around my workstation, I got this box of paper clips. Okay, we've all seen it. It's from Office Max. It's flimsy. They're all the same. They're all flimsy little. All the paper clips, they stick together. They fly. Just, you can see they're dropping. They're falling. It's just a horrible packaging idea. Very flimsy. Once you open it, it never folds again. You can't stack them. They ship all shrink wrapped, so it gives them a little bit of rigidity to stack. But once you open them, you're kind of stuck. If I drop this right now, it's going to open. There are going to be paper clips everywhere. We've all done that. I'm going to redesign this package so that it's more efficient. So my first idea is this: I'm going to take a ribbon, and my package is going to be a ribbon. And I'm going to take this ribbon, and I'm going to try to figure out a way to adhere the paper clips to the ribbon. Okay, so we've got all these paper clips that will be adhered to this ribbon here, and then the ribbon will fold over on itself. Okay, so we need a paper clip. We just kind of start unfolding the ribbon. We remove the paper clip that we need. Okay, there's the paper clip. We fold that back up, store it, and we don't have to worry about anything spilling or falling. Okay, that's my first idea, my first thumbnail. I would draw that out on my sketch pad as thumbnail number 1. Thumbnail number 2 would be a box. It's my second idea. A box like this, filled with paper clips. The box would have an opening, a small opening at the top, about that big. And we're going to have a magnetic strip around that opening. So we need a paper clip. We just pick up the box, shake it like that. The magnet will catch the paper clips, grab one, okay, and then tap them back down like that into the box, store that away. Now, is it fail-proof? No, because if it does happen to tip over, the magnet's not going to catch all the paper clips. There's a propensity for those to spill as well. Thumbnail number 2, you would sketch that out. Idea number 3, I have this book that opens like this, and I could have adhesive pages separated with parchment paper or some kind of wax paper. So on this side, we have all of our adhesive sides, and then on this side we have the parchment paper or wax paper or something that would impede the pages from sticking together. So on this side we have all of our paper clips adhered to the inside of this book. Okay, so as we need a paper clip, we take it off, we use it, close the book, store it away on the bookshelf, and it's, again, nothing's going to spill. Okay, the next idea would be that same idea, but we'll take that a step further, make it a little bit bigger, and we could even add another touch to this. It's a bigger notebook like this. It's flat. This could be filled with paper clips on this page, adhesive or other. A page would fold over. You would open the page, take a paper clip, fold the parchment paper back over it, store this, close it, okay, and store this away. Another idea would be to have just strips along this where the paper clips actually fit into the strip. So you pull this out, you open it up. Okay, it's got all these strips. Sorry, you have to use your imagination because this is a real paper book, real notebook. So let's say it opens this way. So here's the inside. So you would have your paper clips. You just take one off, okay, fold it back up, put it right back in your file cabinet. All right. So those would be the sketches of the ideas that I would say that you would move forward with. And these are just ideas, just brainstorming, as it were, so that you have an idea of how to move forward with the project. So there's no right or wrong here. It's just a matter of you looking at something and saying, I can do this better, and let's repackage. It can be anything. It doesn't have to be office products. It can be, anything that you find in your refrigerator, in your garage, at your office, wherever, at your workstation, in your gym bag, whatever. You're just going to redesign a package, making it better, giving us 6 thumbnails of the basic drawings of how you're going to make it better. Next week, after Sunday, sorry about that. After Sunday, when you submit your final thumbnails, we will go to step 2, week 2, and what we'll do is we'll take your final rough concepts. So basically what you'll do is you'll submit these Sunday, and then we'll critique them. Now we'll take, you'll take those next ideas and turn them into roughs. Your 3 best ideas, and you'll turn those into your roughs. So basically we'll critique them. You'll submit your roughs, which is your 3 best ideas. And then finally, step 4, you'll take your best idea out of those 3 and move to your final mock-up with that, okay? So week 2, I'll make another video. So basically, you just have to worry about week 1 is your ideation, your research report, your written research, and your thumbnails, okay? Hope that helps, guys. If not, let me know. I'll try to make more sense of that. But I think that's the best I can do right now, and I think it's a pretty good idea of pointing you in the right direction, all right? Again, any questions, please get with me. Thanks, everyone.